My name is Doodle Diggett, and I was born in Jacksonville, Florida, and raised in Florida all my life. And my family had a camp on Lake Delancy from back in the 30s. We used to use the Ocklawaha River all the time. We used to go all the way up to Silver Springs and stop at Blue Springs, and we used to party at Davenport with the family. It was a family outing. And now you can't do those things anymore. My uncle brought me out here the day they pushed the dirt in to close off the river. We sat right down there in his Jeep, and I watched them, and I cried. I don't quite get why we have to have this dam. It does not serve any purpose. The fish and the manatees can't migrate up to Silver Springs. We don't use it for barges. They say the trees won't grow back, but these trees over here grew back, and it didn't seem to hurt them any. So I don't know what our problem is with wanting to keep the dam. This is a beautiful river, a natural river, and it was totally destroyed, and it's not used to anybody. So I am very much in favor of taking the dam down. Thank you.